A car is traveling at a steady speed. A. It travels 100 meters in t minus 4 seconds. Write down an expression for the car's speed in meter per seconds. B. It travels 200 meters in t plus 1 seconds. Write down an expression for the car speed in meter per seconds. Hence, that's a C. Hence, find the value of t and the speed of the car in meter per seconds. Solution. Now for the first part of the question, we want to find an expression for the car speed. So car speed will be equals to, what's the formula for speed? That's the distance divided by time. Distance divided by time. So when the distance is 100 meters, so we substitute 100 meters divided by the time taken. That's what? T minus 4 seconds. T minus 4 seconds. Then it means that the speed of the car equals to what? 100 divided by t minus 4 meter per seconds. That is the car speed for the first part of the problem. Now for the B part, car speed will be equals to what? We are still going to use the same formula using this. Distance divided by time taken. Now, the car travels 200 meters. So the distance here is 200 meters. And what's the time taken? T plus 1 seconds. So divided by the time taken, t plus 1 seconds. So it means that the car speed is 200 divided by t plus 1 seconds. Meter per seconds. Now, everything meter per seconds. That is the answer to the second question. For the C part, looking at the question, hence find the value of t and the speed of the car in meter per seconds. Now, we know that the car is traveling at a steady speed. So, since it's traveling at a steady speed, it means that the speed of the car at this particular time is going to be the same thing at this particular time also. Now, in this case, the speed of the car speed 1 is equal to car speed 2. Since the car is traveling at a steady speed, that is constant speed. So the speed of the car is constant. Since the speed of the car is constant, it means the car speed 1 will be equal to the second car speed also. So in this case, we substitute. This is going to be what? 100 divided by t minus 4. That is the car speed at this period. So equals to the second one, which is 200 divided by t plus 1. So at this point, what are we going to do? We are now having a simple equation with two binomial expressions at the denominators. Now, what do? We are going to cross multiply. By cross multiplying, we have 100 into t plus 1 equals to what? 200 into t minus 4. By expanding the bracket, 100 times t, we have 100t. Now, 100 times 1, we have 100. Equals to 200 times t. What do we have? 200t. Then 200 times minus 4, we have what? Minus 800. So the next thing for us to do is to collect the like terms. Collecting the like terms simply means we bring expressions that are likes in terms of their terms together. So in that case, what do? 100t and 200t are like times. So since they are like terms, we have 100t, 200t coming to the left returns to what? Minus 200t. So we have equals to minus 800. And when we bring 100 to the right, we have minus 100. So 100 minus 200 will give us what? Minus 100 here. So, but we are looking at 100t minus 200t. So we have minus 100t at the left. Minus 100 minus 800, or minus 800 minus 100. What do we have? That is minus 900. Minus 900. So at this point, what do? We are going to divide both sides by minus 100 for us to get the value of t. So dividing both sides by minus 100, what do we have? Minus 100. Minus 900 divided by minus 100. Minus 100 divided by minus 100, that will give us 1. So we now have t to be equals to what? And here, minus divided by minus returns to plus. So 900 divided by 100 will give us 9. So let's go back to the question. That is the C question. Hence, find the value of t. The value of t is 9. That is 9 seconds. 9 seconds. Now, and the speed. The question is 2 in 1. And the speed of the car in meter per second. So the speed of the car. And we know that the car is traveling at a steady speed, that is at a constant speed. So we can use any of these expressions. Is it that we use the car speed in the first problem or the car speed in the second problem? We still have the same answer. Now let's use this. We have 100 divided by t minus 4. What is the value of t? T equals to 9. So this is going to be equals to what? 100 divided by 9 minus 4. Anywhere we see t, we put 9. So this will give us 100 divided by 9 minus 4 is 5. So what will this give us? 100 divided by 5 will give us 20. And the unit is what? Meter per seconds. You can see. And the car speed. And the speed of the car in meter per seconds. So the speed of the car is 20 meter per seconds. And the value of t is 9 seconds. We can also try to confirm this. Okay, for example, if I use the second expression, 200 divided by t plus 1. Anywhere I see t, I will put 9. What is t? 9. So I will have 200 divided by 9 plus 1. 200 divided by 9 plus 1. 9 plus 1 is what? Is 10. So we have 200 divided by 10. What is 200 divided by 10? The answer is 20. So you can see, when you use the first one or the second one, you still get the same answer. That is the solution to the problem. Thank you.